Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show y'all how to repair the radio in the Shallows and Satan Centers 1. Oh, I thought those were zombies, but no. So you gotta go to the Blue Mansion. I think. Oh yeah, that's the Blue Mansion. If you spawn right here, you just go here, and yeah. But this is good to spawn. But yeah. Hello.
Don't hang around too long.
Go up. Oh my, look at those dead bodies.
I see you. Out for a stroll.
Nothing better to do?
Alright, since you're here, you want to go right here to climb this whatever thing. It's the fastest way to do it.
Last chance.
You're like a fucking mosquito that just won't die. Advantage is ours.
You can't hide.
Gonna find you
forever.
eventually.
Oh my gosh. Almost died. Alright, since you're here, you want to go first of all. He's a pickup.
We should burn that eyesore to the ground.
Just doing a bit of looting, but I know the radio is upstairs somewhere.
We should burn that eyesore to the ground.
Bells are pissing me off.
I wanna be extremely. I don't know why I'm so quiet. It's because I don't want them to hear me, even though they can't. Oh my gosh. It can't not be downstairs. It has to be upstairs. Oh, it's right here. Careful. Why'd she yell like that? Whatever. But it should be here. Microphone. Upstairs. And if you see the stairs, you go right here and you will see it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.